Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing Christmas bells with a mistletoe!
Yay!
So, let's get started. We will start by drawing holly berries. For that, make a full circle and some half circles. Now, we will draw a bell. While drawing the bell, draw a nice curved shape and keep your lines smooth. Friends, if you see a Santa Claus in the video, do like the video. Inside the bell, we will draw a clapper. It's time to decorate the bell. For that, draw a zigzag pattern. Now, around the berries, we will draw some spiky leaves. To draw these leaves, move your pen in and out while giving it a leaf shape. Likewise, draw the rest of the leaves. This spiky leaf will look perfect next to our holly berries. Wow, it looks so Christmassy already! Now we will draw the veins of the leaves. Did you know holly leaves stay green even in winter? That's why we use them for Christmas decorations. Now we will draw the other bell. It is similar to the first bell that we drew, but we will draw it only half as it is behind the first bell. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. We will start by coloring the bells golden. Bells ring all around during Christmas, so let's color ours nice and bright. Our bell is getting so shiny, almost like it's ready to ring on Christmas morning. Friends, are you able to spot Santa? Color the clappers yellow. Now we will color the decoration on the bell. For that, we will color some triangles green and some red. Decorating a bell is the most fun part of the Christmas. Oh, with red-green colors, it is already looking amazing! We will color the holly berries red. Now we will color the leaves around the berries. We will color some leaves dark green and some light green. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.